So I am coming to my high school reunion, and I just drove up, and there's a couple people walking in, and everybody's looking at each other like, do I recognize that person? Does that person? This is what I hate. Everybody's gonna be looking at each other, staring at each other. Do I know you? Are you somebody that you look like my age? I'm just waiting for my people to come because I can't do this by myself. I'm here in my old high school, home of the Raiders, Erindale. Me and Leon.
We can create us.
I'm telling you, we're in this gym and it seems so small. The bleachers have changed. It used to be wood, not this color. It's spelling out Raiders. I just noticed it now, R-A-D. As I looked in here, I could see it. Oh, that's cool. Spells out Raiders in the bleachers. But yeah, you see up there? You can see basketball, 1992 junior girls basketball and senior girls volleyball. I was on the basketball team. I was on the volleyball team, short-lived. But this is our gym, big gym. This is the big gym. We call it the big gym. It's 2 gyms in 1. Yeah, and then we have the small gym. So everybody calls it the big gym. All the graduates know this is the big gym. How does it feel to be back?
Real good, real good.
The rest of people are coming later. At my high school reunion, we're in the drama room. This is hilarious. Everything is the same in here. Everything. Carpet, the blocks, the black curtain. Oh my gosh.
It's just chain. It's just chain.
What?
That's all.
No, that's not safe.
That's all that's holding them
I'm
up.
very sad because there's a lot of things not happening in my high school that should be happening.
Live?
I'm on YouTube, yo.
Are you live?
Yes. No, not live, but
You like to do live.
I'm not doing live.
videos.
Hey, they might shut down the school if you put down the wrong thing.
What?
Stop bandoodling.
I'm so sad. We'll talk about it later. Santa, y'all. He's an alumni to my high school. I'm recording. Hold on. You have to do it again.
Really? Why are you showing your age?
No, listen. Leave me alone. So, we're here at Erindale.